Hi everyone! Welcome to this tutorial for Web Data AI Extract by PulpMiner, a Google Sheets add-on that uses AI to extract structured data from URLs directly into your spreadsheet. Here's how to authenticate, authorize, and extract data from URLs using the add-on. Click on the Web Data AI Extract by PulpMiner menu. You'll see a submenu called Extract Data. Click on Extract Data. The first thing you'll do is authorize the add-on. It needs a few permissions to work. Click OK. You'll see the authentication screen. Click Continue. The next page shows the permissions the add-on needs. Once you've selected all the permissions, click Continue. The sidebar will now open in Google Sheets. The first time you use the add-on, you'll also need to link your current spreadsheet to it. This only happens once per spreadsheet. You need to grant access to this specific spreadsheet so the add-on can read and write data back into it after extraction. Choose your current spreadsheet in the dialog menu and double-click on the spreadsheet to select it. You'll see that the spreadsheet is now connected. You're ready to extract data. To see the add-on in action, paste a few URLs into column A. Say you want to extract the title and description from each URL. Go to the column section. In the column name field, type title and set the data type to text. Add another column called description and set its data type to text as well. Now your columns are set up. Next, set the URL range input. This is the column range that contains the URLs you want to extract data from. The URLs are in column A, so enter the range as A:A. That covers everything from A1 to the end of the column. Then click the Start Extraction button. Click it now. The add-on will save your columns and configuration. A confirmation dialog will appear asking if you want to start the extraction. Click OK. You'll get a message confirming the extraction has started. The results will appear in your columns shortly. To check the status, click the Refresh button on the status card. It shows the extraction is in progress. 0 out of 2 URLs done. Click Refresh again. Now it shows completed. 2 out of 2 URLs are done, and the status is green. Everything went through successfully. You can see in the sheet that the column names are title and description in columns B and C, exactly as you set them up. The extracted values match those column names, and the data is pulled from each URL you provided. That's the full authentication, setup, and extraction process for the add-on. You can process up to 1,000 URLs per extraction job. If you need a higher limit, reach out at hello@pulpminer.com. Thank you for watching.